All right guys, Nick here from Seth's Garage. Right here we have the Active VE56. So this is the tool-only version of the Active VE52. We sell a ton of these units. It used to be the king of the entry-level pressure washers. Now it is the Active 2.0, but this is still a really solid unit in its own right. So we still sell it on our website at obsessedgarage.com. We wanted to make a video unboxing it, showing you exactly what comes in it, whether you got it a la carte or in one of our solutions. So we're just gonna get right into it, open it up, show you everything that comes with it. So it really should just be the unit and then a couple of like extra little bits, but we will see. So we have some paper, some of the literature, and then we have the unit itself. And it's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Pull off the plastic. So it really makes sense, especially with this unit, to pair it with one of the solutions we offer, since, as you can see, you don't get any nozzles, you don't get guns, hoses, anything. It's just the pressure washer unit. So we'll attach some of these accessories that comes with. The power cord mount just slots into the side like that. This is hose storage, accessory storage. We're not going to attach all of this right now, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It just clips on around the unit. Like I said, this is just the tool only, so this is the VE56. So you really need to pair this with one of our solutions, since, as you can see, you don't get any nozzles, hoses, guns, anything. It's just a pump. If you just bought this unit alone, you really couldn't do anything with it. So I'd recommend getting it in the portable solution. If you want to wall mount it, we also offer that. You can use like a Cox hose reel, things like that. We made it as simple as we possibly could on our website. If you want to pick it up, you can get it at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions about it, I would recommend reaching out to support@obsessedgarage.com.